Hello, welcome to a Math of Finance presentation on graphing a piecewise function. Here's an example. This problem is basically um, a problem where you got to write out your piecewise function and then you're going to sketch your graph. Let's read it. If T-Next text charges $19 for a texting plan with 250 text messages included, if the customer goes over 250 messages, the cost is 12 cents per text message. They have an unlimited plan which costs $45 per month. Alright, let's see. We got C of T, which represents the cost of the messages. Express C of T as a split function in terms of T, or a piecewise function. Here we're going to write out C of T is equal to, put our brackets. Let's see, it's $19 for 250 messages, so that's going to be $19 when T is less than or equal to 250 messages. Done. First part. And now 12 cents for every message over 250. So it's going to be 19 plus, how can I write that? 12 cents times T minus 250. That's everything over 250. And that's for T is greater than 250 messages. And that's it. That's all we need for our piecewise function. Now if I were to sketch this graph, I'll sketch it over here. Alright, here's my graph, something like this. Rough sketch. This is the text, and this is the cost. Well, the cost starts here, $19, and over here I'm going to place 250, and let me explain why. Basically, over here, that's your number of text messages. This is the cost, and $19 is the cost up to 250. So basically, at, let's say 100 texts, 19. 200 texts, still 19. So it's going to be a horizontal line up to 250. Well, at 250 texts, it's going to increase because the cost is 12 cents over all those who are over 250. So it's going to go up. And there's a rough sketch of the graph. It shows constant increases, positive slope. Okay? And that's all you need to do for, well, as part of part B. The cusp, we're referring to this point here where there's an increase from the constant, and that's just the order pair. 250 is your X. In this case, it's our T value, and my Y value, or cost, C of T, in this case is 19. That's it. Promise. That's it. Part C says graph the constant $45 unlimited plan on the same graph. Okay, there's another rough estimate here. We have $45. That's the unlimited plan, and that's for every message. So that's just going to be a constant value straight across. Okay, there's my graph, and that's it for C, because it's always $45. That's it. Okay, to finish off the graph, here I want to find out this intersection point for part D, and basically we set 45 equal to the equation here, and we solve it for T. And after we do all this work here, you could pause and look back at it later, but we get this for a value. That's going to be the number of text messages here, and that's going to be your order pair, which is actually right here. And that's it.